Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you how to add payment method on Upwork. So first of all you will open the app. Then you will click on your profile picture and then click on settings. Then you will click on get paid. By scrolling down, you will click on payment method and press plus sign. Here you find 4 options. If you want to attach your Payoneer account with your Upwork, you will click on Payoneer and setup. If you have already verified Payoneer account, you will click on already have a Payoneer account, and if you have not still sign up your Payoneer, you will type here first name, here last name, here email address, again email address, date of birth, and click on next. You will sign up your Payoneer account, and if you have already Payoneer account, you will click on this button. It will search and close a new window. You will type your email and password and sign in and allow your Payoneer account to attach with the Upwork account. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will